Hey friends, if you encounter the error access denied, you don't have permission to access this server, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear everything about that website, and I'll tell you a very easy manner to do that. So search for disk cleanup and then click on disk cleanup. It will even clear online files and those associated with browsers. So check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files and then go to the browser. Let's say this is the browser. Click on these three dots here, select history, click on this bin like icon, change it to all time, make sure that cache and cookies are selected and then click on clear now. The last solution is to disable proxy. Okay, first of all, you need to turn off VPN and then disable proxy. So if you have a third-party VPN installed on your system, you have to remove it. And the last solution is to disable proxy. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left-hand side. Select Proxy in the right pane. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is on and any manual proxy setup is removed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.